so excited. I'm so excited. I just got my Christmas present from my husband. Yes, I'm gonna open it now. I know it's not Christmas, but oh well. Yay for me. I'm excited. Let's try this thing out. I just received my washing machine. Oh yes. Here you go. Open that box, boy. Come this way. Alright, and now we have to cut this. No, give me. I'll open it.
I made it a little boring. Okay, now.
Move this way.
This cute.
Move this way.
So loud.
That was easy.
Make sure you don't break the phone. This live phone.
It's cool. I love it. Already.
Doesn't look
Pull that out. Pull that out. Pull that.
I'm putting on this stuff.
All right. Let me see this. That's how it comes basically in this big box that I'm not caring to clean. But yeah. That's it. It comes with the instructions. Flip it open. And then it's pretty deep. It's cool. It has this little tube. I guess that's where the water comes out through, I'm assuming. The plug. This is the back. Okay, I'm just trying to get this focused. And then this side is the rinse. It's just rinse. It doesn't dry, but it, I guess, takes it close to drying. It brings this pipe, I guess, to fill it up. And it brings this. Basically, take this. You put it in there. I'm definitely gonna wash in it right now. Like right now. I'm gonna start. And we're gonna find out and figure out how this works together. Okay? Okay. Normal as maybe 6. Whoa.
Oh my God.
Look at that, guys. All right, so hold this like this for a second. I'm sorry you guys are gonna see my feet or whatever. So I'm gonna add water from a bucket, and I hope it doesn't get messed up.
Ma, it's gonna fly.
I'm gonna put a little bit of soap, very little bit. You see, just that.
Becoming soapy.
All right, I'm gonna add my first. I'm gonna add my daughter's sheets because she had little accidents on it. Yeah, because I had to you gotta bring it over here. And that's just 2 bed sheets. I'm gonna use a blanket and a towel. I don't know about you, but I like my stuff really soapy, so and you can definitely fit a lot more clothes in there. I just didn't fill it all the way. It has lots of space. I didn't fill it all the way. I just test run. I want to make sure there's nothing wrong because it came damaged, but to get another one, I just decided to just see if it works. I am doing this in my living room, as you can see. I just got it, so I couldn't figure out why this machine wouldn't rinse, wouldn't throw out the water. It's because it needs to be high above it. You can't have it down. It's ridiculous. It doesn't have a, I guess, a pump. So I have to put it on a step stool for right now. And that's that. So basically you put it on, you're gonna turn it to drain, and it'll start draining. I'm gonna actually just move the water and just see if I can do this right now. I am going to rinse. Let's see how this works. So I have to remove this from here and take this and just just take the middle thing and place it in nice and tight. And then you put it on. It goes fast. That kind of started pretty fast. Let's see if I can open this. Oh no, if you open it, it'll turn off. You see what I'm talking about? Look at that.
Yeah.
So, but I'm just doing this as a test run, people. I will be doing this in my bathroom next time. Yeah, I was stuck on Stupid for a little bit, trying to figure out how to get the water out. But since it was just a test run, I just did it, whatever. Just wanted to see how it works because I'm excited, and that's just me. So let's see how this thing dried. It just finished.
I don't know what to do.
Let's see.
Okay.
I'm excited. I like this machine. I really do. Okay, let's see.
Mom, you want to know the mystery?
Okay. Let's see. Oh wow, it's not even. Oh look, feel that.
It's not even that wet.
Yeah, it doesn't even feel that wet at all. Oh my god, it feels almost dry. This is. I'm excited. Let's see how good it cleans. Cause it had. I should have showed you guys the stains. That's that. So it's pretty much actually. It feels. It did a good job. A good rinse. I like it. I kind of wish it did had a pump for it to pump up the water instead of me having to elevate it and put it somewhere that's pretty high so the water can come down. Otherwise it washes really well, and it definitely it doesn't have a dryer, but this is nearly dry. I think it's alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments on this product, just comment down below and I'll be more than willing to answer them for you. Bye.